As you can see, we're gonna be making the top side of the door over here, but we don't have any ample information for it, so we're just gonna improvise it with we're just gonna get the entire edge loop right over there. Then we're just going to RX this, just rotate it over on the x-axis, just like that. Cool. Then we're gonna get rid of that boundary edge. Now get this one too, just get rid of that. Now let's turn off this subdivision. We're gonna take this entire edge loop up to there. Now RX, and just push it up in the same manner. Cool. Keep this in mind that we're not going to make in the interior of this, so we don't have to bother anything about the interior and how it looks from the inside. We're just going to get rid of the edges that we don't need. Now just RX and this again over here. Cool. Now let's take that edge and just push it over to the x-axis to the inside. And for this, there should be a curve, like a bulged curve right over there. Let's push it up with GC, double G. There we go. But it should be, but at that place should have more resolution. To have a smoother curve and a gradual curve. We'll take care of that later on in this class.